Now I'm gonna listen to his heart and lungs. So the heart, I'm just gonna go behind his elbow here. And then I just gonna listen to his lungs. That sounds clear, so we'll just go over and listen to the other side. Okay, both hearts.